Meaning of etymological.
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 Etymological. The term etymological relates to the study of the origins and development of words. It refers to the investigation of the historical roots and evolution of language and vocabulary. By examining the etymology of a word, we can discover its original meaning and how it has changed over time. This process involves tracing the word's journey through different languages and cultures, analyzing its morphological structure and semantic associations. Understanding the etymology of a word can provide insights into its current usage and help us appreciate its rich linguistic heritage.